Hey, beauty lovers! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we uncover the best-kept secrets in skincare. Today, we're diving into a skincare gem that's been cherished for centuries: black soap. This isn't just any soap, it's a powerhouse of natural goodness. Imagine a cleanser that not only purifies your skin but also nourishes it deeply. Black soap is exactly that. It's a transformative skincare staple that can make a world of difference. Originating from the heart of West Africa, black soap is a unique blend of plant-based ingredients. Each component is carefully selected for its beneficial properties. Think of rich shea butter, nutrient-packed cocoa pods, and the healing power of plantain leaves. These ingredients work in harmony to create a soap that's gentle, yet incredibly effective. When you use black soap, you're treating your skin to a luxurious experience. It cleanses without stripping away natural oils, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and radiant. One of the best things about black soap is its purity. It's free from harsh chemicals and synthetic fragrances, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin or anyone looking to avoid irritants. Plus, black soap is a sustainable choice. It's often packaged in eco-friendly materials, and its natural ingredients mean it's biodegradable and kind to the planet. By choosing black soap, you're not just caring for your skin, you're also making a positive impact on the environment. It's a win-win for you and Mother Earth. So, are you ready to unlock the secret to glowing, healthy skin? Stay tuned as we explore the incredible benefits and uses of black soap. Your skin will thank you. Black soap is a true multitasker when it comes to skincare. Originating from West Africa, this traditional soap has been used for centuries for its incredible benefits. Made from natural ingredients like plantain skins, cocoa pod ash, and palm oil, black soap is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that nourish and protect your skin. These natural components work together to combat free radicals, which can cause premature aging and skin damage. One of the key benefits? Deep cleansing. The rich lather of black soap penetrates deep into your pores, effectively removing dirt, oil, and impurities. Black soap gently removes dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. This makes it ideal for all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. This helps to unclog pores, prevent breakouts, and leave your skin feeling fresh and clean. Regular use can lead to a noticeable improvement in your skin's texture and clarity. But that's not all. Black soap is also incredibly hydrating. Its natural oils and butters help to lock in moisture, ensuring your skin stays hydrated throughout the day. Ingredients like shea butter and cocoa pod ash provide intense moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft, supple, and dewy. These ingredients are known for their ability to soothe and heal the skin, making black soap a great choice for those with dry or irritated skin. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to a healthy, radiant glow. The nourishing properties of black soap can transform your skin, giving it a natural, youthful radiance. And the benefits don't stop there. Black soap is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce redness and swelling. Black soap can also help to even out skin tone, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and soothe irritation. Its gentle exfoliating properties remove dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, more even complexion. It's like a mini spa treatment in a bar. With its multitude of benefits, black soap is a must-have in any skincare routine. Treat yourself to the natural goodness of black soap and experience the difference it can make for your skin. Acne and hyperpigmentation are common skin concerns that can affect anyone. The good news? Black soap can be a powerful ally in your fight against these issues. Black soap's natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help to combat acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. This can help to prevent breakouts, soothe existing pimples, and minimize redness. Hyperpigmentation, which causes dark spots and uneven skin tone, can also be improved with regular use of black soap. The soap's natural exfoliating properties help to gently remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter, more even-toned skin underneath. With consistent use, you'll notice a visible reduction in the appearance of dark spots and a more radiant complexion. Ready to experience the magic of black soap? This natural wonder has been cherished for centuries for its incredible benefits. Adding it to your skincare routine is easy. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, black soap can work wonders. First, wet your face with lukewarm water. This helps to open up your pores and prepare your skin for a deep cleanse. Then, lather the black soap in your hands or with a washcloth until you have a rich, creamy foam. The lather is key to lifting away dirt and impurities. Gently massage the foam onto your face in circular motions, avoiding the delicate eye area. This technique helps to stimulate blood flow and promote a healthy glow. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. This ensures that all the soap is removed, leaving your skin feeling fresh and clean. Remember, a little goes a long way with black soap. Its concentrated formula means you only need a small amount to get the job done. Start with a small amount and gradually increase if needed. This allows your skin to adjust and prevents any potential irritation. You can use black soap once or twice a day, depending on your skin type and concerns. Morning and evening routines can help maintain balanced and clear skin. For best results, follow up with your favorite toner, serum, and moisturizer. This will help to lock in moisture and keep your skin looking its best. With consistent use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and tone. Embrace the natural beauty that black soap brings to your skincare routine. Section 5. Daytime Radiance. Using black soap in your morning routine. Start your day with a refreshing cleanse using black soap. In the morning, black soap helps to remove any impurities that may have accumulated on your skin overnight, like sweat and excess oil. It preps your skin for the day ahead, creating a smooth canvas for your makeup application. After cleansing with black soap, follow up with a hydrating toner, a vitamin C serum for antioxidant protection, and a lightweight moisturizer with SPF to shield your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Your skin will feel clean, refreshed, and ready to take on the day. Section 6. Nighttime Nourishment. Using black soap in your evening routine. After a long day, give your skin a well-deserved treat with a soothing black soap cleanse. In the evening, black soap works wonders to remove makeup, dirt, and pollution that have accumulated on your skin throughout the day. Its gentle yet effective cleansing action ensures that your pores are clear and your skin can breathe. Follow up with a nourishing serum, like one with hyaluronic acid for hydration, and a rich moisturizer to lock in moisture overnight. For an extra boost of radiance, indulge in a weekly face mask. You'll wake up with soft, supple, and glowing skin. Section 7. Black Soap. Wisdom, addressing concerns and side effects. While black soap is generally safe for all skin types, it's always wise to be mindful of potential side effects. Some people may experience mild dryness or irritation, especially if they have sensitive skin. If this happens, try using black soap less frequently or opting for a formula specifically designed for sensitive skin. It's crucial to perform a patch test before incorporating black soap into your routine. Apply a small amount of black soap to an inconspicuous area of your skin, like your inner arm, and wait 24 hours to observe any reactions. If you experience any redness, itching, or burning, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist. Section 8. Listen to your skin. Choosing the right black soap for you. Not all black soaps are created equal. With so many options available, it's essential to choose one that suits your skin type and concerns. For dry or sensitive skin, look for black soaps with added moisturizing ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, or aloe vera. If you're battling acne, opt for black soaps with tea tree oil, charcoal, or turmeric, known for their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. For hyperpigmentation, look for black soaps with ingredients like licorice root extract, kojic acid, or vitamin C, which help to brighten and even out skin tone. Section 9. Embrace the glow, confidence in every drop. Black soap is more than just a cleanser. It's a journey to rediscovering your skin's natural radiance. With its gentle yet powerful properties, black soap helps to cleanse, nourish, and transform your skin, revealing a healthy, glowing complexion that radiates confidence. Embrace the power of this ancient beauty secret and experience the transformative benefits of black soap for yourself. Remember, true beauty lies in embracing your natural self. Black soap simply enhances your inherent beauty by revealing the radiant skin you were born with. So go ahead, indulge in the goodness of black soap, and let your inner glow shine through.